Give me that too. I'm gonna get it. Give me that too. I'm gonna get it. Get it, Papa. Ooh, see how much mud is on the ground? We had a ton of rain yesterday. So I'm out here digging up cactus because it just comes right up. Oh, I'm gonna get it, guys. I'm gonna get it. So it's a good time to give me this to get some yard work done. Get it, girl. Get it, girl. Ooh, I've got these electrical gloves that I use to pick up the cactus, and it works pretty good. They're pretty tough. Yeah, Papa. So I got a lot done. Some of this cactus I'm gonna leave because it's really beautiful in the summer and the springtime. It's full of really vibrant yellow and orange flowers. But and then some of this I'm gonna transplant to the front as ornamental in front of my big cedar planter box that I have the Vitex tree in. I'm gonna put it right in front of there. Ooh. So, see how she's rubbing up against him? She's flirting with him, trying to get him to play with her. Baby girl. Boy, this thing right here, this gorilla cart, love it. I just love it. It's much better than the wheelbarrow. It's pretty rugged. Yes, my baby girl. Boy, check out his definition, man. He is. So, yeah, see, she's spayed, but I think she still has some hormones. So I think she's what it would have been her cycle. She's real flirty with him right now. And he keeps on smelling her, so I think it's probably that time. Get it, eyes. Get it, eyes. You see the difference in size between male and female. And some female Corso are bigger than her, so. What's it, eyes? But she's a decent size. She's about 110 pounds, which is actually pretty big for a female. Anyways, I've got my Red Bull up there. Ooh, hurting today. I didn't sleep very well because I don't know. I'm actually not sure why. Maybe it was the rainstorm that woke me up, thunderstorm. But it's perfect to get yard work done because it's cooler and the ground is wet. So I'm going to try and take advantage of this. Work outside the whole day, and then tomorrow I'll be working inside, cleaning floors, cleaning off the mud. He's waiting for his deer. Where's that Dolce? Waiting for the deer to come by. I think I'm going to cover all this mud up eventually with, probably with mulch. Just get a bunch of mulch delivered out here in a dump truck. I thought about pea gravel. Pea gravel is more expensive and I would need a ton of it. I'll do pea gravel in other areas, probably in the front yard. But I think mulch would do pretty well right there. Anyway, hope you all are having a good day. And we'll talk at you guys later. It's nice and cool right here. Bye, y'all.